Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to enable or disable the keyboard shortcut to open the developer tools with the F12 key in Microsoft Edge web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay open lang natin ang Microsoft Edge web browser, and then dito lang sa top right corner, and then click mo lang yung 3 dot icon. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings. And then dito sa settings, and then select mo lang dito yung system and performance. So click mo lang dito. And then next ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down at hanapin natin yung developer tools. Ito siya. Okay? So bago tayo mag-proceed, so ano ba ang gamit ng F12 key? So ang F12 serves as a shortcut to open developer tools in most web browser and can be used for other purposes in the different applications like opening the Save As dialog box in Microsoft Office programs. Okay? So, use F12 key to open the developer tools na ka-enable siya. Okay? Kapag press mo yung F12 key dito sa keyboard natin, ito yung lalabas. Okay? So, open the Microsoft Edge developer tools. Alright? Kung gusto mo naman itong i-disable, so itagol mo lang itong button ito. Ayan. So, kapag press mo yung F12 dito sa keyboard natin, ay hindi po lalabas yung developer tools dito. Alright? So, ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano natin enable or disable to open the developer tools with the F12 key expressed in Microsoft Edge. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.